Your Solis comes with a 30 amp power cord. This is the end that connects to the power inlet on the coach, and this is the end that will connect to the pole at your campsite. It's generally a good idea to connect to the coach first, have the breaker off on the pole, plug into the pole, and then turn the breaker on at the pole. You'll notice there's a small L shape to one of the prongs. You'll see that prong here on the Solis. Line them up, give the plug a slight turn, you'll feel it's locked into place. Further secure it with a locking collar, and the coach side is now plugged in. When both ends of your power cord are connected, turn on the breaker. This blue light will illuminate, indicating that power is now flowing to your Solis.